Here I have Nokia 8 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to open the phone's dialer right here. And now let me show you how to open the testing menu. Let's input *#, *4636 #*. As you can see, the testing menu just pops up. Here you can choose phone information, when you can read the email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice network type, data network type. You may also run a ping test or, for example, choose more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, or enable data connection. Let's use your back arrow to quit the phone information. Here you have to choose the user statistics, and here you've got the list of all applications, and you can read the last time used or usage time. Let's go back again and choose Wi-Fi information. Here you've got the Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. Let's go back again, choose Wi-Fi config. If you have some configured networks, here you should see the full specification about them. So let's go back again by using the back arrow and choose Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh or stats, run a ping test, or read just statistics about your Wi-Fi. So let's go back again and let me quit the testing menu. And this time let me show you how to check the calendar info on your device. So let's input the following code: *#, *225 #*. As you can see, the calendar info just pops up. You can read about your events, about your holidays, and other data information about your calendar. Let's go back again to close the testing menu and to close the calendar information. This time let me show you how to open the Google Play Services mode. So let's use the *#, *426 #*. As you can see, Google Play Services just pops up. Here you can choose ping, connect, disconnect, events, status, and read the important information about your Play services. Let's go back, let's quit the following menu, and this time let me open Debug UI. So let's use the *#, *759 #*, and Debug UI should pop up on the screen. It depends on your device, sometimes it doesn't happen. So now let me show you how to check the email number on the device by using the secret code. So let's simply use the *#06# and the email number just pops up. To close this window, simply tap OK. So that's it. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.